Galing Sarangani. So dito yung
Maasim,
Sarangani.
Kiamba.
First town dyan is Maasim, Kiamba, then Maito, going to Kiamba, which is around 90 plus kilometers.
79.
79 na siya? Kanina 93. Okay, on the left side is the Fishport. Yan, Fishport yan. So, paglabas mo talaga ng diversion road, turn right, and just few meters, the Fishport area. So, we're in the industrial zone of the city of Jensan. Ito yung mga kaning, maraming kaning. Going also the city proper. So, this road going to Kiamba is well paved na. Wala na siyang rough road compared before long time ago.
150.
So dito tayo na diba, nandito yung
Celebes Canning, that's the
Canning
last
Corporation. Celebes Canning, ano bang dito?
That's the last one. And then the resorts after. Sarangani Highlands going this way.
Sarangani Highlands, nandito kanina right side.
Right side.
So you have Celebes, Sarangani, what are the other resorts pa na natin dito?
Celebes was the last una.
Celebes ba?
But the other industrial. There's another industrial company after Celebes. Then you have the resorts.
Gusto ko ganitong klaseng paggawa ng asphalt na hindi yung madikit. May mga pebbles because in terms of traction kung mainit yung daan, hindi na slide yung
And rain. 3 minutes.
okay.
The first resort here is Dolores.
Dolores din pala. May Dolores na.
Dolores on the right side.